विग्रहवान् धर्मः. First question. रामः कः? सः किमर्थं चित्रकूटम् आगच्छत्? तत्र किं भवत्? सृड्गिम्बेरपुरात् आराब्धं रामस्य वनवासं वर्णयता. Answer. The lesson Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha is taken from Balakanda of Ramayana, written by great poet Valmiki, who is regarded as Adi Kavi. Once, the ascetic Valmiki, in order to overcome his depression, was asked by Narada to write a kavya. With an intention to write, Valmiki asks Narada to tell about someone who can be the hero of his kavya, who has the qualities, virtues like truthfulness, honesty, righteousness, and firmness of thoughts. Hearing this, Narada delightfully starts saying that in the line of Ikshvaku, there is one descendant named Rama. He was born to King Dasaratha. Rama grew up with great virtues. Dasaratha decides to crown Rama as the king. On the day of his coronation, when all the preparations for the ceremony were completed, the youngest of three wives of Dasaratha, called Kaikeyi, asks him to grant her boon, which was promised by him on earlier occasion. Purvam Dattavara Devi Varamena Yachayat. The two boons that she asked were one to exile Rama to forests and the second to crown her son Bharata as the king. Rama obediently understood this and resolves to go to the woods along with his newly wedded wife Sita, who was equal to Rama in the virtues, and his beloved brother Lakshmana. Bhratra Lakshmano Nujagamaha. The three of them were followed by people till they reached a place called Sringibherapura on the banks of river Ganga. There Rama meets Guha, the chief of Nisada. After sending the people back, Rama crosses the stream of Ganga with the help of Guha. At Prayaga, they meet sage Bharadwaja. On his instructions, they decide to stay at Chitrakuta for some time. During Rama's stay at Chitrakuta, King Dasaratha leaves his body, passes away. Though Bharata was to become king, he doesn't show any desire to rule. Naichad Rajyam Mahabalaha. He decides to plead Rama to return to the kingdom and rule as it was his right. Rama doesn't agree to Bharata's proposal and expresses his determination to complete the tenure of the command of Dasaratha. He gives his wooden sandals to Bharata, which were taken by him to Ayodhya. Here, in the forests, Rama comes across many demons like Shurpanka, whose face was deformed by Lakshmana in order to take revenge. She sent other demons Karna, Trishirasa and Dushasana. Rama also kills those 14,000 demons to get rid of all the Rakshasas on the earth. Rakshasam Nihatanyasan Sahasrani Chadurdashi. Kavi Parichayaha.